Chapter 5. Getting wealthy through staying wealthy. Let's dive into a vital truth. Getting rich and staying rich are two different games. Imagine this scenario. You're climbing a mountain. Reaching the summit requires determination and risk-taking. But once you're at the top, a new challenge arises. Staying there, one wrong move can send you tumbling back down. In Chapter 5 of The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explores this concept. Getting wealthy often involves bold decisions, optimism, and seizing opportunities. You take risks, invest in yourself, and aim high. But here's the twist. Staying wealthy demands a completely different mindset. It requires humility and a keen sense of caution. You need to be aware that one poor decision can erase everything you've built. This is where fear plays a critical role. Not the kind that paralyzes you, but the kind that reminds you to tread carefully. Consider lottery winners. They often come into sudden wealth but lose it just as quickly. Why? They don't grasp that maintaining wealth requires a cautious approach. The thrill of getting rich blinds them to the need for preservation. Now let's talk about Jesse Livermore. One of the most famous stock traders. He made and lost fortunes multiple times. It wasn't his ability to make money that failed him. It was his struggle to keep it. The lesson here is clear. Wealth is fragile. It takes years to accumulate, but it can vanish in an instant. Housel emphasizes that true wealth isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it safe. Survival becomes the ultimate goal. If you want long-term success, you have to think about avoiding catastrophic mistakes. Now let's break it down even further. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This saying perfectly captures the idea that it's better to hold on to what you have than to gamble it away for something uncertain. Housel highlights that many wealthy people understand this truth. They focus on preserving their wealth, not just chasing bigger returns. So what does this mean for you? The next time you think about your financial journey, remember this. Getting rich is exciting, but staying rich, that's the real challenge. Are you willing to play the long game? Patience and a focus on survival can lead to extraordinary rewards. The journey may be slow, but the results, they can be truly remarkable.